Hi guys, this is welcome to another one of my adventures.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go pick up our puppy.
Woohoo! And what's our puppy's name?
Snap.
That was his name first. What's his name now?
His name is
What's his name, Mommy?
His name is Zeus.
Zeus. He's God. There's
That's
lightning
right.
in his.
Are you excited?
Yes.
It was a big surprise, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're getting ready to go in here, sign the papers, and we will be right back and show you guys Zeus, okay?
Okay. We're home. Guess who's with us?
Who's with us, Maya?
Our puppy.
Wow. He's very tired, huh?
Yep. He's 2 years old.
Did he have a lot of energy?
Yeah. He kind of loves me.
Yeah.
He is really friendly.
He's 2 months old. His name is Zeus.
Yep.
What does he like to do the most?
He likes to sleep the most.
Yeah, because puppies need a lot of sleep, right?
Yep, they also got a lot of responsibility.
What else does he like to do?
He likes to play around.
And chew.
Chew, it's really big.
What has he chewed on so far?
He chewed on my toys, he chewed on Mommy's shoes, he chewed on Daddy.
You want to show everybody a couple toys you got him?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Grab a toy.
Go grab a toy. Whoa. He likes that, right?
Yeah. It can
Help his teeth.
help his teeth and makes his teeth strong.
That's right, yeah.
Looks like that. I always like it.
And did you get the little alligator guy over there too?
Yeah.
You want to go show them that?
Yeah. He's been chewed on too.
That's pretty
Does
cool.
he squeak?
Yes. You press the button.
I think it's good. Oh, there we go. Hey, Zeus. Very tired. All right, so you tell everybody you're gonna see him in a couple of videos.
Yeah.
He'll be there for the challenges,
He'll
the
be-
holiday videos, the
He'll
cooking
be there.
videos.
He'll be there for a long time.
Yep.
He's so friendly and nice.
We already gave him a bath.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
smells good. Let's see his nice clean fur.
He got whiskers.
Hey, buddy. Mommy got a nice big pillow for him.
He is really tired.
Yes, he is.
Thank you for watching Jordan Adventures. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.